What's going on, guys? I'm Nathan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do DIY projects, kayak mods, gear and bait reviews, and fishing technique videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of a video that you would like me to make. Today, we're going to talk about the Tokyo rig. Stick around. Alright guys, so if you don't know what the Tokyo rig is, pretty much it's a rig that allows you to fish the bottom without your bait dragging in the mud. It's really unique rig, and I figured out a couple different ways to make them myself. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a snap and a swivel, a barrel swivel, okay? A paper clip, a bullet weight or two, and an offset hook. Okay, I'm using wide gap hooks, just so you guys know. You can use straight shank, it doesn't really matter, okay? All right, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna straighten your paper clip out, and you're gonna twist the end just like this. Okay, see if I can get that to focus for you guys. All right, once you got the end twisted, you're gonna take your snap. You're gonna feed your paper clip on first. Okay, now you're gonna put your hook on. What's important is that you put your hook on with the opening facing up. Okay, I'll show you guys why in a second. All right, so that's it. That is a DIY Tokyo rig. Okay, now you can put your weight on just one at a time. I'm gonna do two on this one. I have another one down here I'm gonna show you guys once I get this one put together. Okay, so you're gonna put your weights on to where they meet. Okay, and then you're gonna bend the metal to where they can't come off. All right, now you can see kind of how allows that weight to sit on the bottom, right? But then your bait is not dragging in the mud. So the bass that are on the bottom or near the bottom are gonna be more inclined to eat that bait because it's not all muddy. Okay, a couple different baits that you can fish this with is just a paddle tail swim bait. Okay, obviously I go with a bigger hook if you're fishing a bait. I think this is a 6-inch swim bait, so you're gonna want a little bigger hook with that one, and then you got your fluke. Okay, you can fish 2-aught with that. With this, I would probably go 3 and above, probably 4 and above, 4-aught and above. It's a pretty big bait. Okay, there's a couple different ways you can fish it. You can throw it out, let it sit on the bottom, keep tension on that line to keep it up, right? Because you don't want it to lay over like this, right? You don't want to drag it too fast, because then you have a tendency to do this, right? You want to reel it in. You can even hop it back, so it's just hopping on the bottom. All right. Here's the other one that I made. I put the paper clip in a different spot on the little snap. Can you guys see that? All right, and then I put two glass beads on the bottom to give it a little more click. I'm gonna try it out, experiment and whatnot. This is a 2-aught hook, so I will probably fish nothing bigger than this. On this one is a 3-aught hook. Again, I can fish flukes and whatnot with it. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was at a school. I'm back now though, so videos should be starting to come pretty regularly. I appreciate everybody. Thanks for watching. And please spread the word and try to build a community of fishermen that just help each other out. You guys have a good day.